How to change your player's appearance in FC Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are playing FC Mobile and want to change your player's appearance, first of all, go ahead and launch open the game on your device. Once you're inside the lobby, go to the club option on the right. Inside club, click on locker room. Now on the next page, select appearance. Go ahead and change the appearance of a character now. You can choose from clothes that they're wearing, the jersey fit, whether you want a tight fit or normal fit. You can also go ahead and select the waist fit option, change your shorts, shoes, and click confirm. So right after you do that, you will be able to change your player's appearance on FC Mobile. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.